Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to join a friend's session in GTA Online. Alright, let's begin. If you want to play together with your friends in GTA Online, joining their session is quick and simple. First, open the pause menu while you are in the game. From there, move to the Friends tab on the right side of the menu. Here, you will see a full list of all your added friends who are currently online. Select the friend you want to join, and you will see an option called Join Game. Select this option and the game will automatically load you into their current session. If your friend is playing in a public session, you will join instantly. However, if your friend is in an invite-only session, you will not be able to join directly. In that case, your friend needs to send you a game invite. They can do this by opening the pause menu, going to the Friends tab, selecting your name, and choosing Send Game Invite. Once the invite is sent, accept it to join their session and start playing together. So that's basically how you can join a friend's session in GTA Online. That's it for this video. Thanks.